Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 13 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 2593. Find score of an array after marking all elements. Okay, so let's read the problem statement first. You are given an array nums consisting of positive integers. Okay, we have to start with the score 0 and we have to apply the following algorithm. Okay, we have to choose the smallest integer of the array that is not marked. Okay, and if there is a die, choose the one with the smallest index. Okay, add the value of the chosen index to the score. All right, mark the chosen element and its two adjacent elements if they exist. Okay, adjacent elements left and right. Repeat until all the array elements are marked. Okay, and we have to return the score you get after applying the above algorithm. Okay, so see this example number one. So here out of all these elements, one is smallest, right? So add one, okay, to our score, and the left element is 2 and the right element is 3. Okay, so mark all of them as marked. Okay, so m and m, all these are marked. Okay, so here I have added one. Okay, now the next smallest element which is unmarked is this 2, right? So add this 2 here. Okay, and there is only left element, there is no right. Okay, so mark this as marked and mark this as marked. Okay, now only an unmarked element left is 4. Okay, so add this 4 here. Okay, and now mark it as marked, and the left and right side elements are already marked. Okay, so we don't need to do anything. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. Okay, so 7 is my output. Okay, so here this is what we did, right? Okay, so 7 is our output. Okay, so now how we are going to solve this problem? So it's very simple, right? You can use sorting process, simple sorting, or you can use heap as well. Okay, so let's solve this problem using sorting. Okay, without making any difficulty. So what we are going to do here, let's create one variable answer. Okay, long format, and initialize it with 0. Okay, in the starting. All right, then create one sorted array. Okay, and in the sorted array it is going to be 2D array. Okay, and in this 2D array I'm going to store the numbers and their indexes. Okay, so here see this 2 is at index 0. Okay, so this is a one element. Okay, one index, then one is at index 1. Okay, so this is how I'm going to create one sorted type array. Okay, 2D array. 3 is at index 2. Okay, then 4 is at index 3. Okay, 4 is at index 3. Then we have 5 at index 4, 5 at index 4, and then we have 2 at index 5. Okay, 2 at index 5. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this is nothing but my sorted array. Okay, this is just a naming right now, I haven't sorted yet. Okay, so first of all we are going to create this sorted array, and we are going to create one boolean marked. Okay, and in this I am just going to keep track if I have marked that particular index or not. Okay, so now we have to sort this sorted array. So how I'm going to sort them? I am going to sort them based on their values. Okay, so first of all this one by one will come. Okay, I'm just going to update my sorted array one by one will come. Then this 2 0 will come. Okay, because this is occurring first, right? 2 0. Then this 2 5 will come. Okay, 2 5 will come. Okay, then after that this 3 2 will come. Okay, 3 and 2 will come. After that 4 3 will come. Okay, and after that 5 4 will come. Okay, so I have sorted this. Okay, I have sorted this sorted array. Okay, now after sorting, what I have to do, I have to iterate over all the numbers one by one. Okay, so here first I'm at here at this position. Okay, at this position. Okay, so number is this one. Okay, and this is nothing but my index. Okay, this is my number, this is index. All right, so I'm going to check if I have marked this, if I have already visited this index or not. So right now uh, how many index? 0 1 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, all are unmarked, right? 0 1 2 3 4 and 5 all are unmarked. Okay, so here first this index. Okay, and I haven't visited it yet. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this one in my answer. Okay, this in my answer. Okay, I have added this, and one I haven't visited. Okay, so I have to mark it as visited. Okay, so here I'm just going to mark it to true. Okay, one. And now after that, 1 minus 0, so this index is existing. Okay, so here I'm going to mark it as true. This one is also existing, I'm going to mark it as true. Okay, this is done. All right, now I move here. So here I see that this 0 index I have already marked now, so I don't need to do anything here. Then I move here. This is 5 index. Okay, and I haven't marked it yet. Okay, so I'm going to mark it 5. I am going to add this 2 here in my answer. Okay, and 4 exists. Okay, in the left side, so I'm going to mark this as marked as well, or you can say true. Okay, marked this, marked this, marked this. Okay, so I have marked this, and 6 is not there, so no need. Okay, so this is done. Then I move to this one. So 2 I have already visited, no need to, already marked now, so no need to check anything. 3 is not. Okay, so here I am going to mark this 3 as marked, going to add this 4 here in my answer, and this 2 and 4 already marked. Okay, so it will still remain marked only, right? Still remain marked. Okay, and this 4 is already marked. That's it. So we come out of this, right? And now the output is going to be 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. Okay, that's it. So this is how we are going to solve this problem, right? So let's try to write the code for this one. Okay, and since we are doing the sorting process, so for that purpose the time complexity is going to be of n log n. Okay, so this is going to be my time complexity for this problem, right? So now let's write the code. Okay, so here we have to turn the answer in long format, right? So here write long answer is equal to 0. All right, and then we have to create a sorted array, 2D array. So int sorted is equal to new int, right? And here the number of elements, okay, that is going to be size. Okay, nums dot length, right? So see here, total 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so total 6 are there, total 6 are there, right? Total 6, so that is size. And for each size the number of columns 2 only, right? So here nums dot length, and here I'm just going to simply write 2. That's it. Okay, now create one boolean marked array as well. Boolean marked new boolean, and here also same length, nums dot length. Okay, and then just run one loop for int I is equal to 0, I is less than nums dot length I plus plus. Okay, and inside this we have to write sorted of I and 0. Okay, so at 0 column what we are going to store, we are going to store by that particular number. Okay, nums of I, and sorted I at first column what we are going to store, we are just going to store the index. Okay, so here I'm just going to simply write I. Okay, that's it. Now we have to do the sorting. So arrays dot sort. Okay, what we are sorting, we are sorting this sorted array. Okay, arrays dot sort, we are sorting this sorted. Okay, and let's say we have two array parameters, array 1 and array 2. Okay, so we are going to sort this array 1 and array 2 based on their number. Okay, based on their first value. Okay, number value. So here I'm just going to write array of 1 0, because at 0 index we have the values, right? Not indexes, right? Array of 2 0. All right, so this is done. We have sorted this. Now after this, once we sorted our array, so we are just going to again iterate over my nums array one by one. Okay, so here just write for int I is equal to 0, I is less than nums dot length I plus plus. All right, and here inside this take first number, int number. Okay, number is at this sorted of I of 0. Okay, so number is at this particular position. All right, and then we have index at sorted of I of 1. Okay, at this position we have index. Okay, so here what we are going to check here, I'm going to check if we have visited this index or not. So if it is not marked, if this index is not marked, okay, marked of index, okay, so if it is not marked yet, okay, so in that case we have to first add this number to our answer. Okay, so this is what I have explained the story, right? Answer is equal to answer plus the number, okay, and then we have to mark this particular index as true, okay, and then we have to check mark the adjacent elements if they exist only. Okay, so here if index minus 1, it should be greater than equal to 0 na, only in that case I can mark this index as true. Okay, so marked of index minus 1 is equal to true. Okay, and here if index plus 1, okay, and it should also be less than nums dot length, okay, and then in that case only we have to mark this. Okay, marked of index plus 1 as true. Okay, that's it. Now let's here just return the answer. Okay, return answer. Okay, that's it. So now let's run the code and see if there are any code issues. We'll try to fix that. So the test case has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. And if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.